Hey guys, Dave Nicholson here. On behalf of myself and John Thornhill, we'd like to welcome you to Free Monthly Websites 2.0. Free Monthly Websites has been one of the leading providers of free websites for over 10 years now, with over 100,000 people taking advantage of the free website that we offer every single month. From the feedback that we've received over the years, we've learned that the main obstacle people have when it comes to generating income online is website creation. Specifically, websites that can generate affiliate income and have built-in monetization. Now we know a lot of people don't know much about building websites such as HTML coding, SEO, keyword research, product placement and niche selection, as well as designing it all so that it will generate a healthy affiliate income too. We also understand that a lot of people may struggle when it comes to actually editing the website to make it unique for themselves. So we created free monthly websites with you in mind. You no longer have to worry about editing complicated HTML code or anything to do with website design and monetization, as we have taken care of all of that for you. And we have made this point and click simple. All you have to do is upload your free site, log into the special admin area that we provide you with, and then personalize your website however you see fit. And all this can be done in less than 5 minutes, even if you have no skills whatsoever. So why do we give you all of this for free? Well, to be honest, we do have a special offer for members which is totally optional. And there is an option to link to free monthly websites through your affiliate link in the free websites that you get. It's win-win really. You get a free website every month packed with monetized content, and we get more members looking at our offer through your affiliate link. Remember, we supply you with a free, content-rich, monetized website each and every month, and all you have to do is sign up for free below to get yours. We're giving you the site, instructions how to set this up and running, and we're also going to show you how to drive all the traffic you could possibly need, all 100% free. If you do need even more than that, then you should check out our Premier membership option below too. So there you have it guys, all that's left for you to do now is to check out the rest of this page and see what we can do for you. We'll see you on the inside.